Hi. I'm meeting you today because just now my auntie and my sister fight together. And then they maki together. This sister maki her. Kina. Then she say, then she scold her. After that she shout. After that they fight until my sister get lost from there. See, she don't have. See, she didn't touch her phone.
So I don't really know this fairy is
Then you know already.
Why
And my auntie shot at her phone. Yo, very the malu eh. Okay, now if you want to know my auntie,
I really say it's for fun.
watch her. Ta-dang! That is her. Understand? Let me show you again. Okay. You see my auntie. Very the banyak bulu ketiak. See? Okay? Okay, bye-bye. Again, nice to meet you. Kaya mak kau.
I'm on the phone now.
My auntie just kentut. Lucu.
Oh yeah.
Nice to
Yesterday
meet
she never
you.
come,
My hair is little bit crazy.
I was waiting.